one-day bike ride, Centennial Trail. That's right. Kelsey, what you gotta say about that?
Good.
It's like... And Austin, what you got to say about that?
About what? It's kind of fun. Put my legs or pop my knees a lot.
Yeah. Coming to your left? Andy, what you got to say?
I like candy.
Anything else? Anything new? It could be anything. Maybe your girlfriend.
I don't have one.
Why not?
Because I hate girls.
Why, you gay?
No.
You like to kiss boys?
No.
Oh. How come you don't like girls then?
No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, don't hit the birds.
I don't think I've ever seen a bird over here.
Huh?
I don't think I've ever seen a bird over here.
Oh.
Especially on the sidewalk. I'm gonna go here.